tractor race, and guess where am I? Today is day 6, which this YouTuber must be flush. So now my life is much easy. So because of this day. So remember, I want to be friends with any kind of YouTuber. Until day 100, I already been in the day 2. No, it was 20 trillion days. Yeah. I am 12 years old. I'm still 12. Yeah. So bye. Thank you. Konnichiwa.